What's up, fam? It's your boy here, coming back at you with another vlog. I hope you're having a great day.
Oh, head-ass truck, bro. Whose truck? Might got rips and stuff. Rag piece. What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is you're watching this video. It is currently almost 4 o'clock. I'm on the way to get my laundry. Gotta get some clothes I pressed, and then gotta get something fixed on this truck. As you can tell by the title, something's wrong with it. So stay tuned and you'll find out what it is. I'll show you as soon as we get it to the laundromat. Secured the bag. Alright, what's going on, everybody? We just got the clothes. And now I'm about to show you what's up with the truck. So right now, the truck, ever since I bought it, the steering wheel is pretty bad. Like, alright, so when you're driving, it's probably like right there, and then that's straight apparently. So the alignment's all off, and that's all it is to it. So I got an appointment here in about right about the next 40 minutes. I'm gonna run to Harbor Freight and pick up something, and I'm gonna order some detailing supplies later on this week. And I already picked out the wheels and tires for the video, or for the truck. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be a couple weeks for sure. Probably about in the next 3 weeks, hopefully, or 3 or 4 weeks, depending on how long I get, or how long it takes to get them. But either way, we're gonna fix this alignment problem. That's a really big problem. I'm trying to drive home tomorrow, and I don't want the tires that I have on it right now to bald out until I get my new tires and rims. So that's always a good thing. And this place I'm going to has a 6-month warranty, 6 months, 4,000 mile warranty, which is actually really good. You always want to have like some kind of reassurance with your like jobs that you get done by other shops. I mean, I usually do most of the stuff myself. Oil changes, filters, the EGR delete, the exhaust. Like, I do literally everything myself besides obviously an alignment. I can't do an alignment, so at least it has like a little warranty with that. So that's good. And I'll get with you as soon as we get out of Harbor Freight, and then it's right next door to the tire shop. So I'll see you there. Y'all, I ain't never seen this before. All right, now check it out. There's 2 of them in the parking lot right here. All right. That's like a chow mod waiting to freaking happen right there. Hey, me. Alright, now. Y'all ever seen a squatting car? Y'all ever seen a squatting car? Now, check it out now. This motherfucking DBRX right here, that son of a bitch is busting ass, boy. That thing is... Wow! You know what that means, boys and girls. We just saved the hell out of some money. That's exactly what that means. Alright, so, we got the dual action polisher right here. And we got some pads in here. Already got compound, and I gotta order some other detailing stuff from my sponsor. Shout out Limitless Car Care. Link is always in the description. Use my code for 15% off. And yeah, gotta make a restock on that, and we are gonna get this truck right and ready for the new wheels. But either way, she's gonna be shining either way, baby. You already know that. You already knew that. But we're on the way to get the alignment done right now. And after that, that should be the end of this video. I mean, I really don't have anything else here to do, honestly. Like, what is this? Like, okay, done. Alright, so, this is how bad my damn alignment was. So, as you can see right here. Alright, focus, mate. Come on, mate. Come on, brother. You got it. There you go. Alright, right there. Alright, so it was like 230. Like, look at all these terrible ass numbers, first of all. And then the final on these, and then look at the angles that they fixed them to. Like, just great numbers, okay? I mean, you know, you probably don't even know what those mean. Some of them I don't even know what they mean. Just being honest here. So, I'm just gonna put this away, and we're about to go something to eat. Hopefully not get pulled over by the base cops, because they love pulling people over from tent, because that's more important than pulling people over for DUIs, if you didn't know. If you didn't know. We better go get something to eat and try and get on base without getting a ticket. You see that in the back? That's my $160 fine on Facebook Marketplace. It's probably about like a $600 setup. One of them costs $210 new. I got them all for like $160. Amp box, everything. 2 Memphis 12, 1600 watt amp. Very nice. Oh, God bless America. Very nice. Oh yeah, she's straight, boys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm driving straight. Nice. Appreciate it. Shout out to NTP on Western Boulevard. If you're ever in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Great work, great work, great work. Anyways, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did like the video, drop a like and make sure you subscribe, please. It means a lot. I'm trying to get up to 1,000. 15 away from 200 right now. So thank you so much for watching the video. Plenty more videos coming out soon. I'll catch you next time.